Just a video of me eating cereal. I just watched this video. There's nothing here. There's one part. There's one part that's kind of argy. Alright, so now we're gonna open up my editing software and we're just gonna go nuts on this video until we find something. Aha! Show me spectrogram! Oh, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. I know it's near the end. Oh, you've got to be kidding me, you piece of garbage. You piece of garbage. How do you do this? How do you do this? How does a man do this? What the? What? How? https://imgur.com/kgpjw.png. Okay. Screw you. Screw you. There's a lot to take in here. There's a lot to take in here, okay? This is a lot to take in. Okay, so we've got a zippy link right here. So if one of you want to type in this zippy link real quick. Oh, no, here we go. Here we go. Extract here. What the hell? Did I download the right thing? Before anything, you will be judged. We have your IP, we have your location, we have your name, your face, your birth date, everything. Don't try and hide, accept that you're being tracked. If you finish the text, congratulations. If you don't, congratulations. Over 99% of people can't even read this. You are part of us now. Show us what you can do. If you're good enough, you will join us if you like it or not. This is not an ordinary ARG. This does not contain anything that ordinary ARGs include. That's all that we can say. If you leak any of this info, you will be killed. Once you finish, you will need this launch code. Don't ask what this is for right now. Accept. You will be asked this multiple times. You will use this SHA code. Don't ask what this is right now. Accept. These times are important. Look them up later. Don't ask what this is right now. Accept. Finally, your Zor encryption key. This is different for everyone. Yours is... Your every move is under surveillance. Don't deny it. Did Buddy just copy and paste like a secret government ARG, and if I fail, I get killed? Is a meme? Oh, my computer just asked to track my location. I don't know what that is. This is getting a little suspicious. The thing at the very top? Oh, you mean this weird number right here? Yeah, let's try this. But what are the chances this is gonna... God dang it. We're gonna see what this is. Please don't be a dick. Okay, so I assume we do the same thing, but with these numbers? Or maybe these numbers? Or is it something else in this? And if we click convert, it gets us a YouTube link. Are we the smartest people to ever exist? We're just gonna watch this without stopping and see what we're gonna get. It's an image link. It's an image link. Let's see if this gets us what we're looking for. The image does not exist. Hey, buddy. Now what? No, god dang it. It's just the 404 with the furry. All right, clearly there's something unique in this image, and we're gonna take a look at it. Oh my god, there's something in the bottom right. Roblox user ID, and let me guess, the Roblox ID is this. Let's go to Roblox. We doing it, boys! Found somebody named... Let's go into his creations. A file called Teal. Awesome, we doing good, boys. Please tell me that I don't have to... Please tell me that's not furry porn down there. If I reveal this... Okay, he's wearing pants. I can see pants. Notice his bulge. Ooh, whoa. Well, I made it. Despite your directions. That actually says Imgur. Whoa, geez, Teha, the timing, because I think we're on to something. Continue? This is only the beginning. Let's hope you can read Russian.
No, I can't read Russian.
Basically tells you to go to the end of the last arc. Basically, this video is what we got when we won last time. Hey, look, and now there's a media file thing in there. There we go. Here we go. Download. Extract here. It needs a password!
Where do we find the password?
Well, now we're kinda out of luck. Brown bricks. We did it, boys, we did it. Interesting. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You might want this for that other file, otherwise good luck. What other file? Wait, this decodes message images? Apparently if we plug an image into this, it decodes it? How is this? Okay, well, we're on your Reddit account. So, oh, what do we got over here? I am existent within the third dimension. For teal. This is the second key.
But what does that mean?
I swear to God, if this actually makes an image, I'm gonna flip out. What the hell? How do you produce an image out of a bunch of numbers? How do you take this? How do you take this? Alright, well I guess we're going to Fur Affinity, the one place I didn't want to go today. We're going to Fur Affinity, boys. We found it. I did it. It's my fursona that somebody made me. Let me guess, I need to download this image and we need to punch it into something, right?
Day 2.
Let's go, boys! Bloopity doopity da dee doo da doo dee da ba doo. This is giving me a YouTube link. Let's check it out. Is this the frickin' serial video? Awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna download this and speed up the audio because that seems like the next logical step.
3 days later.
File slash Wait a second, the link says we're halfway there. We're halfway there? Strap yourselves in, boys, we're only halfway there.
Oh my god, I can do it, wizard. I want to be a girl wizard. Alright then.
My name is Rebecca Sparklefist. Holy god, we're just gonna play Wizard 101 for the rest of them. Please tell me there's not a password. Please just let this work. Does this Z? The Z one has a password. All right, so we're gonna do these one at a time. The first one is called Butt.
Oh look, a free iPad.
Next one is called Cuckoo. Oh, this is TikTok from the Interstellar soundtrack. This is the music from when I drank all the gross sodas combined. Nope, this is Jellyfish Jam from SpongeBob. Well, now what? This serial video? Do you mean that it's base 58? We're gonna plug that into my editing software and we're gonna hopefully get something. Oh, there is text! Look, you can see a 5 and a 7. You can see a 5 and a 7. There we go, now we can see it. Yep, alright, let me zoom in on this. 45774157. What does it say to the right? I honestly can't tell what that says, that part. Because there's definitely a word there that says, like, facts? Oh, it's Jammy Dash! It's a Geometry Dash level! Guys, that says Jammy. That says Jammy. It's a Geometry Dash level. Geometry Dash, my old friend. We're going back. Take on me. We found it. The password is 696969. Enter the password 696969. Dingus dangus. Oof! For the zip file. Look at this. This is cool. Pass equals E. I swear to God, if the password for this is E, I'm gonna flip out.
Five minutes later. 75 years later. 2,000 years later. Day 4. Day 3. Day 2.
You think this is a joke? The fifth letter. A, B, C, D, E. If this works, I'm gonna flip out. Congratulations, you win nothing. Wait. Is that... Is that...
All around me are familiar faces.
Did I seriously... That's not the end. That's not the end, right? What's next? I swear to God, that was all just a red herring? Are you serious? I just realized that the fifth letter of each song is capitalized. So... Shoot. So that's K... underscore 0 J D 1 2 3 4 5 4 A 1 2 3 4 5 K 1 2 3 4 5 W 1 2 3 4 5 capital N 1 2 3 4 5 W. I think that's it. Oh my God, Dart, did you solve it? Dart is smart. It's a YouTube link. Wow. Good job, Dart. So it gets me this video. It's just a dog sitting in water. What am I supposed to be looking for? As you can see, the dog represents Pornhub. Okay, we just have an image. We just have an image in the comment, and it's just Donkey Kong and his coconut gun. I see letters! I see letters! I see letters. It says Twitter. It says Twitter user. Twitter user something. Buddy underscore buddy. Let's see if this works. How? I want to be free. What do we got here? What does Latco mean? I assume backwards it says O-C-T-A-L. Octal. I swear to God, if this says something, I'm gonna flip. How long have you been working on this? We're getting deep. Okay, Bing, I got some freaky ass audio. Sounds like an alien making love to the song Despacito. How do I decode that? Transcirculation telegraph vision virtual radio zinity number. And then we've got these numbers. You have to search it on DeviantArt. I just want to say that that is both the coolest thing that I have ever seen, the freakiest thing that I've ever seen. As you can see, it is currently turning my voice into a picture. That's insane.
I can't wait to go tonight and download so much porn using this method.
All right, well, let's go to DeviantArt and search for tealhollow 1. Let's try that. tealhollow 1. Let's just look in the comments. I swear to God, if Buddy's in the comment and he said something. No, doesn't look like it. Oh, wait, nope, there he is. There he is. There's Buddy. There's Buddy, and he said Biznagia. Mature content. All right, looks like I need to make a, DeviantArt account. Let's go look at that mature art. Please don't be porn. You guys want to see what the mature art was?
Was this all to get me to make a DeviantArt account?
What do we got? Vigneer Cipher. You are doing well. Proceed with caution. There are some who will possess the will to hurt attackers. Oh, and he's got something in the chat, too. Viginery?
Show Bob and Viginery.
Look at how many folders I made just for this stream. We're gonna call this the Super Zip. If this needs a password, then I'm gonna be stumped again. It does need a password!
I thought we made it! Oh my god.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, hallelujah.
Oh, there's something over there, you beautiful, beautiful psychopath. Media fire. There's another media fire down here at the bottom. There we go. We got another one. Okay, we've got some stuff. This is my profile picture. We've got this file right here. It's Dzo. Maybe I'm just being the biggest idiot ever. Oh, it's a YouTube link. Dzo translates to 2.b. That only took me 8 million years to solve. Did we get something? We did it. We did it. All right, so we've got two things. We've got this title, which is a bunch of numbers. That might say something. Second thing, we've got some sort of Imgur link that's jumbled. And then last but not least, the video itself. So let's see what we're dealing with. I mean, I'm very aroused, but... Well, I have to watch this video first. I mean, it's the biggest piece of art that I've ever seen. I'm playing this at my funeral, no context, and after this video is done, everybody's told to go home. No ceremony, no speeches, just people show up, I'm in a coffin, this video plays, and they go home. This is my entire life represented by one video. For all I know, this is like my reward. And it's worth it. Alright, this is scrambled. See if this works. Congratulations. You have finished the test. This journey was merely an investigational search to find individuals who possess great intelligence and agility to predetermine odd and discombobulated puzzles. We now have your coordinates and they've been saved to our database. There is no point in hiding or camouflaging yourself. We probably already know more about you than you know about yourself. We shall arrive at your location momentarily, 3 to 5 hours. Do not be afraid, we come as allies, not enemies. Thank you for playing. Do not share or stream this. It may cost you your life. So, good news, we completed the ARG. Bad news, I've got 3 to 5 hours to live. There's a Steam thing in the background? Brown Bricks in Minecraft is the ID. ID for what? Steam? Alright, we're going to Steam. We got it. Zor, you know the password. The Zor is accept. Oh my god, yes. Zor decryptor. And we get, your journey ends here. Take that second key, hyperlink it to the first key, and you are on your way to the end of the game. Here's the first part, here's the second part. So if we hyperlink all of this together, if this works, I'm gonna flip. We did it, we did it, we're done, we did it. All right, let's watch our reward video. We did it, boys. With the help of you guys, we solved this ARG. It took us all day, but man, I feel smart. Well, I mean, you guys are way smarter, so good job. Teal is a no-no. Here's the song again, our victory song. We solved it! Hey! Looks like you didn't know. This is the third ending. That's right, there are 5 routes for this ARG. You mean there's 5 endings? There's 5 different endings? We've got more numbers. It's never over. You are smart. There are 3 codes hidden in this folder. Connect them and we will give you a... We look forward to meeting with you.
20 minutes later.
Oh, yep, there it is. I see it. We found it. I see it. All right, we got a number.
5 minutes later.
All right, what other 2 codes? Are there 2 other codes? Details? The dimension is 1041 by 1611. That does get you a YouTube link. But what are the chances? What are the chances that this is actually going to be a real video? I swear to God, if you tell me right now that all of that was to get to the Nut Shack in 4K 60 frames per second. Oh, you piece of garbage.